Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add page numbers onto Canva Docs. Now, you might see around a tutorial to add page numbers onto presentations, right? But the problem is that feature is only exclusive to presentations, because Canva haven't applied those features onto Canva Docs. So if you see here, it's a very simple step if it's presentation, but if it's docs, it'll be a little harder than that. So we need to make the page number manually, unfortunately. And I'm going to show you how you can do it manually and how you can copy and paste it to make it easier later. So first off, let's just go to the very bottom of the page that you want to add a page number to. So it'll be here, it'll be here, it'll be here, it'll be here. Let's make the page number on the bottom right of each pages that break off. Okay. So you have to do it you have to do this manually as well, but there is a couple of copy and paste that could make it a little bit easier. But for now, I'm just going to write one, and I'm going to change the alignment to be on the very right there. After that, you just have to highlight it and then press Control C, and then go to the other page and then press Control V, and then you want to change it to 2. And anything you want to write, you have to press enter. Well, not enter there, but enter here. Enter, 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 enter. And then anything you have to write, you'll have to put it up here. Let's go to the other page as well. This already have a text before it, so I'm just going to press enter. I'm going to press Control V. I'm going to make it 3. Again, here, I'm going to press enter, Control V, and then make it 4. And then last one, this already has text, enter, Control V, make it 5. Now you have a pseudo page number here on your Canva Docs, but it's very Guerrilla-like. It's manual, and it's not really the neatest thing if you have like spaces under here. So you have to make it neater. It's like that. Same thing here, same thing here. Just has space underneath it. So you have to delete it. And also, this is the footer part on the end. So it naturally will have some leftover space under it. And you have to, you have to update this manually every time you change or delete pages, right? Unlike a presentation dynamic pages here. If I just add a page, a new one, it'll automatically configure. But again, this is only for Canva presentations, not for docs. So for docs, you have to add it here manually, each one. And if you want to change the style of all of the page number, you also have to change it one by one, because if I make it bigger here, it won't be any bigger on the other one as well.